Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be talking all about the WCoin bot, the listing date, the key actions you should take before the listing to guarantee the best airdrop, and how you can make the most of it. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you never miss any of the daily videos I post. Also, be sure to join our Telegram channel where I share the latest bots and new earning methods updated in real time. You can find the link in the description box or the pinned comment below. Now let's jump straight into the tutorial. When you first enter the WCoin bot, one of the first things you'll notice is the staking countdown, which shows that staking will close in 10 days. A lot of people mistakenly think this means the listing will happen after 10 days, but that's not the case. The staking period will end after 10 days, but the listing is still coming later. So what exactly is staking, and how can it help you maximize your earnings? Staking is where you lock a portion of your coins for a set period. For example, you can stake 20% of your coins for 3 days. After the 3 days, you'll get those coins back along with additional rewards. I've personally been staking for a while, and the more you stake, the more coins you accumulate. During this staking period, you should definitely get involved by staking a portion of your coins for the best results. Aim to stake 20% for the next few days to gather as many coins as possible. WCoin has introduced a new reward system, and it's super simple to take part. If you head over to their official Twitter page, you'll see they've set up a giveaway system. When you actively engage with the bot, you'll receive rewards in the form of additional coins, ranging from 500 to 1 million coins. If you've been interacting with the bot regularly, you'll start seeing these rewards automatically added to your balance. If you haven't been as active recently, no worries. Now's the perfect time to engage, so you don't miss out on these bonus coins before the listing. A lot of you have been asking about WGalaxy, which requires a payment to boost your coin balance. Do you have to subscribe to it in order to qualify for the airdrop? The short answer is no. You absolutely don't need to pay for this to earn the airdrop. The WGalaxy subscription simply gives you more coins, but it's not a requirement for participating in the airdrop. So if you're not interested in paying for extra coins, you can still benefit from the airdrop without it. But if you do decide to go for it, just know that it's totally up to you. Now let's talk about another important part of the bot, the WAI. This is an essential section of the bot that allows you to collect even more coins. All you have to do is upgrade your WAI section whenever you see a red marker on it. By doing this regularly, you'll accumulate more WAI points, which can significantly impact the airdrop. The more WAI points you have, the higher your chances of earning during the airdrop. This feature is crucial, so make sure to focus on it if you want to maximize your rewards. Before moving on to the airdrop details, don't forget to link your wallet to the bot. Make sure you've done this correctly to avoid any issues when claiming your airdrop. A lot of people have been asking about the listing date. According to the latest updates from WCoin's Twitter, the airdrop will be happening in December, next month. While they haven't specified whether it will be at the beginning or end of the month, you do have a full month to work on increasing your coin balance and completing tasks. This gives you enough time to gather more coins and ensure you're in the best position to receive a significant airdrop. As I mentioned before, they didn't specify the exact date, but it's safe to assume it will be sometime in early December. So make sure you're taking action now and getting those coins ready for the big airdrop. And that's all for today's guide. I hope this video was helpful in explaining everything you need to know about the WCoin bot and the upcoming airdrop. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on. Until the next video, take care and good luck with your earnings.